Hello everybody. Today we are going to be looking at how to convert your steps into Sweatcoin. So we're on the main page right now. We scroll down a bit and here we can see a box here that says you're ready to start earning. Here, to convert your steps into Sweatcoin, you need to update some settings here. For example, you can here, as you can see, next one. We enable to auto start. Yes. And here you need to lock your app. And then right now it is converting your steps into Sweatcoins. Hope that I could help you. Thanks for watching. Take care.